Okay, so you take 2 envelopes. Now, like I said, because I wanted mine to stay together, like you want it to stay together a bit better, I used actual score tape, but I'm just going to do this quickly, right? So you just attach them together, like so.
On the outside for the flap.
Right? And then you take one of the cards. And say, like I said, I used score tape. So then you just put that in the middle. So then that's your inside part of the card. Okay? And then what I did is I took a second card and I just cut off where it's folded. I cut off about 1/2 inch.
On the
Right?
folded edge.
On the folded edge, because then you have this folded edge.
Oh, yes.
Okay? And then you've got 2 of these. And then what I did with those is you attach them, but you only do 3 sides. You only attach, like you only put adhesive on 3 sides, because then you put that right there, and then you've got a pocket that you can put things in. Okay, so you do that on both sides. And like I said, this looks slightly different because this is the 2 different colors. Mine matches because it's all the same thing. So this is what you call the like. So this is one folio is how they call it, right? So then that's one of your pages, right? Because and then to attach them all together, what you do is you take this little piece that you've got and you go like that, and you put it right along the edge, and then when you do your second one, then when you do another one of these things, like just pretend I put this together, like you'll have 2 of those, you just attach them there. And see, that's what they look like, this part. But you're gonna cover that with paper so you won't see it.
Isn't this an awesome picture?
Okay, and you do as many as you want. I think in the end you end up with 1 extra set of these or something, right, that you don't need.